Welcome to Autos Play, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive updates. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the modern modified 2025 Ford Escort MK1, a vehicle that blends classic heritage with contemporary design enhancements and advanced features. The Escort MK1 commands attention with a refreshed honeycomb patterned grille that seamlessly integrates with sharp LED headlamps featuring built-in daytime running lights. The redesigned front bumper incorporates larger air intakes, improving cooling efficiency while contributing to a more aggressive stance. A sculpted hood with subtle creases enhances its dynamic appearance, while integrated fog lamps and chrome accents add a refined yet sporty touch. From the side, the Escort MK1 presents a striking profile that embodies both agility and strength. Crisp character lines and a sleek body contour create a sense of motion even when stationary. The vehicle rides on stunning 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels that perfectly complement the glossy side cladding. Integrated roof rails and a gently sloping roofline enhance practicality while maintaining a sporty aesthetic, and precision-cut door handles along with chrome window trims showcase attention to detail. At the rear, modern design elements elevate the Escort MK1's appeal. A continuous LED taillight strip spans the width of the vehicle, forming a distinctive visual signature. The reimagined rear bumper, featuring a sporty skid plate and dual exhaust tips, reinforces its performance-driven character. A high-mounted stop lamp and a subtle integrated spoiler enhance aerodynamics while adding a stylish finishing touch. Inside, the Escort MK1's cabin offers a fusion of premium materials and cutting-edge technology. Dual-tone leather upholstery with refined contrast stitching sets a luxurious tone, complemented by a floating 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital instrument cluster, ambient lighting, ventilated front seats, and a flat-bottom steering wheel with integrated controls create a driver-focused experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Escort MK1 is powered by a 1.5 litres turbocharged EcoBoost engine, delivering 180 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, the Escort MK1 ensures an exhilarating yet efficient drive, combining modern performance with Ford's renowned driving dynamics. For more exciting automotive updates, don't forget to subscribe to Autos Play.